Hey y'all. Today I decided to go for a 90s supermodel inspired makeup look. I'm going based off of two pictures. I'm gonna do Tyra for one. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. We're gonna go off of Tyra, and then I'm also going to kind of mix in Naomi's look as well. I think I'm gonna go for I may go for Tyra's lip and a little bit of Naomi's eye look a little more, and as far as her bright highlight. But yeah, we're gonna mix those two together and see what that comes out like. So let's get started. Okay, so from here on, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a voiceover. I'm just showing the products that I use to do my brows off camera, which is my Ebony Dipbrow, my Fentybeauty concealer, and to set my lids I use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So right here I'm just mixing my two Fenty foundations in the shades 380 and 370 since neither one of them match me perfectly. Here I'm just going to go ahead and use my Real Technique sponge just to blend in the foundation a little bit better. I don't know, when it comes to the Fenty foundation, I just don't usually like how it sits on my skin, but I want to go ahead and try it out again, and today I actually really liked it. So here I'm using my concealer in the shade 360, and on top of that I'm going to use my ColourPop concealer in the shade Golden 40. I actually have the Stix trio, but I'm just going to go ahead and use Truffle. I didn't get a powder dark enough to sit there and set my contour with, so on top of that I'm going to set it with my Anastasiabeverlyhills Mahogany powder bronzer. Okay, so in both pictures it looks like they both have a deepened crease. So instead of using eyeshadow, I'm just going to go ahead and use my bronzer and deepen up both my creases along with the eyelids. I also use my NARS Dolce Vita blush, and when I say I used a lot, I packed all that blush on. But to my surprise, it came out really pretty. Now for my favorite part, I went ahead and took my Fenty highlighter duo. I used the shade Lightning Dust for my face highlight, and then to highlight my inner corners, I used Fire Crystal. Now these lashes that I just showed you, those are actually from the beauty supply store. I believe they're from a brand called Miss 3D Lash, and they're in the style M101. Now for lips, I'm just using both Fentybeauty liquid lipsticks in the shades Unveil and Uncuffed. And then to top everything off, I'm just going to spray my face with my MAC Lavender Fix Plus, and then we're done. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and give me a like, comment down below. I would love to hear you guys' feedback and thoughts. And make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.